Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do some lists with lists. So this is very important. So if I haven't shown you this, list equals range, boom. So this is our range function, and you can wrap it in a list. So now, instead of me sitting here doing this manually, going 1, 2, then actually I screwed up. So then I have a list of lists, because you can put a list inside a list. Python doesn't care. And then 3, and I'm building this for our test case. So I can say here, that's dumb. We're learning programming. Let's learn how to do this a fast way, or a way to allow the computer to do it. So okay, we're going to create an empty list. Now let's do it. So for I in range, because we want this done 3 times, right? Then we're going to append the list. Oops. Append list dot range. Let's get out of the way so you can see it. 3. And did I get them all? There we go. Got them all. Print X. Boom. 3 lists of 3 numbers. 3 times through, 3 times through. Then do this. A list of 3 numbers 3 times. I'll do that one more time. A list of the range function, 3 numbers 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now here comes the cool part. This is what I think is really cool. Let's see. Alright, so that's that. But check this out. So 0, that's that. But watch this. So what's 0 of 0? Any guesses? Should be 0. So how would I get this 1 to come out? Or how would I differentiate between any ones? So okay, let's go X. So this is, think about your commas, think about your indexing. That's 0. This is 1. This is 2. So there we go. So now, and this is 0, 1, and 2. So then I do X, 2, 2, and I get my 2 to come out. So this is a quick way to make a list of lists. And this is how you index through lists of lists. You can also, sometimes they're called arrays, but arrays are a little different, but these do act like them. But this is now really some of the really cool stuff we can really start to do with Python. So don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, so we can get these videos coming to us every day. So please leave any comments, questions, or video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.